Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see a new off-campus recruitment from the Kantar company. Kantar company was previously hiring some days ago. It was hiring for another job position. Now it is hiring for another role, that is analyst role. So without wasting time, we will directly proceed. Here about Kantar company information is provided. Kantar is hiring for analyst for any stream BE BTech candidate. Any branch candidate can apply, but your pass out batch should be 2020 or 2021. Then BSc statistics candidates can also apply with pass out 2020 and 2021 batch graduates. Job title is analyst. This is full-time position and job location is Bangalore. They are offering CTC of 4 LPA. There is no service agreement and bond. Okay, and eligibility criteria, as I already told you, any BE BTech candidate with any branch and BSc statistics with 2020 pass out and 2021 pass out candidates are eligible. Okay, then you should have excellent communication skills, then a minimum academic score of 60% in 10th 12th as well as in graduation. Students with active backlog are not eligible to participate in the placement process with Kantar company. And essential skills, preferred candidates, those who have completed any training, any course, any certification in data analytics, machine learning, Python and R. Okay, then skills required, you can check here: knowledge about basics of data analytics, then solid and strong mathematical aptitude, advanced skill in Excel, SAS, R would be preferred, good attitude and willingness to learn, and should be a team player and organizing skills, and many more. What will be your roles and responsibilities once you join as an analyst? Ensure data veracity as per problem brief, then hypothesis building and model development, then ensure statistical hygiene, then hands-on and with programming, modeling and visualization tools, then willing to learn new things and experiment to get to the best solution. Online process, there will be an online aptitude test. Once you crack online aptitude test, then your technical interview will be taken, and after that HR interview. Then test link will be shared to the registered email IDs through this mail ID. And important guidelines: only shortlisted candidates will be registered to the online test will be sent. Online test link will be sent to the registered candidates who meet the eligibility criteria. Okay, and shortlisted candidates from the test should be available for the further interview process, and it will be online interview, online assessment. Okay, and after your HR round they will release the offer letter. Candidate should be available for immediate joining. Okay, so to apply for this off-campus drive, enter your email ID here and then click on verify email. You will get an OTP on your mail ID. Enter your OTP and verify your email, and fill other details as well, that is full name, then contact number, then your current location, your college name, your graduation degree, your year of passing, your branch, do you have any active backlogs, then convert your CGPA to percentage. This criteria is same for 10th 12th as well as graduation. So if your marks are in CGPA, then please convert it into percentage. Okay, so have you completed any course in data analytics, these skills? Then if yes, please mention the details. Are you available for immediate joining? Click on select appropriate answer, then tick this box and submit this form. Okay, so please guys, please apply for this off-campus drive. You will get this link in the description box below, and thanks for watching this video.